Francine. Good morning. All right. So, everyone, hello, guys. Welcome to Aniceto Nani's YouTube channel. And you are watching our 51st live stream music recital. So, today, guys, is we will have our piano student from California, USA. And we are so happy to be with us, collaborating in our live stream, Francine. So we are now live, Francine, and I'm so happy we have 6 million viewers in the house. At this hour, this is around 7:30 a.m. here in Jeddah. What time is it now in your place, Francine?
9:30 p.m.
Are you ready to perform?
Yes.
Okay, so you can start. Please welcome once again, Francine. All right, let's give a hand to Francine. All right, at this juncture, we are now going to proceed to the awarding of the Certificate of Achievement. Okay, may I read the content of the certificate? So this certificate is presented to Francine Estelle C. Donguines for having successfully completed the Piano Adventures Level 2B Sight Reading, Theory, Lesson, Technique and Artistry, and Performance. And here at Nanyos Music Studio, she got, let me count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stars. Let's give a hand to Francine, guys. All right, and for dynamic and active participation in this 51st season's live stream music recital, given this 27th day of March 2025 at Nanyos Music Studio, Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Signed, Edna L. Nanyos, MACD DS, LPT, and yours truly, Aniceto G. Nanyos, Jr., MBA, LPT. Congratulations, Francine. And now let's move on to our next award. So this special award is coming from Piano Adventures exam. So may I read the content? Before I present this one, Francine, can you show to the audience your certificate from your side? Yeah, this Piano Adventures Level 2B with 8 stars. Yeah. All right. Yeah, and guys, Francine has a certificate coming from Nanyos Music Studio. And now we're moving on to our next certificate, Piano Adventures Exams. Let me read the content. Piano Adventures Exams and Nanyos Music Studio, Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. This hereby certifies that Francine Estelle is officially awarded the Level 1 exam certificate for excellence in theory, dated February 18, 2025, from Faber Piano Adventures. Signed, the authors of Piano Adventures Exams, Nancy Faber and Randall Faber. And signed also by yours truly, Aniceto G. Nanyos Jr. So, let us give a hand to Francine. Congratulations, Francine, and one more certificate. So this certificate of recognition is special because, you know, guys, all of our students here at Nanyos Music Studio, they are taking the examination from Piano Adventures. The first one up is the theory exams, and the second is the performance exams. And during the theory exams, Francine got a special citation. Let me read the content. Certificate of recognition. This certificate is proudly presented to Francine Estelle C. Donguines for earning the title of Theory Leader. Piano Adventures Level 1 Theory Exams with an outstanding score of 69 over 70 points, given this 22nd day of March 2025 at Nanyos Music Studio, Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Congratulations, Francine, and show to the world your certificate. And guys, and that certificate is a QR code, and you can see that also in our Facebook page. That QR code you can scan and you can go directly to the website of Piano Adventures so that you can see the name of Francine is there. So all over the world there are theory leaders, and one of the theory leaders that we have here is Francine. Let's give a hand to Francine. Yeah, show it, Francine. So that's your pride. Okay, show it. Your dad is proud of you also, right? And a special shout out to our viewers. I want to shout out your mom, Tina Donguines. Thank you so much, Mommy, because you will be joining Francine at the back. May I request Mommy to be joining Francine at the back? Yes? All right. All right. Say hi, Mommy, and kindly greet our viewers today.
Hi, sorry, let me, her dad is not here. He is in Guam right now, but we are very proud of Francine, and thank you so much, Sir Nice, for sharing her talent with her. And yeah, we're proud of Francine.
All right, and congratulations also to your parents, Francine, because they are supporting you all the way to have this kind of endeavor. You know, piano lessons online is not so easy. And of course, I want to shout out also one of our dear friend here, Romel Pacho. Thank you for tuning in and for having this wonderful live stream possible. Romel Pacho says, congratulations. Yeah, Tina. And he's even asking for sample, all right, for Mommy. All right, actually, Francine, I am preparing her to be a community pianist because for all you know, Teacher Nice is a pianist inside the church, and I'm actually a church organist since my high school days. And my friend, the daddy of Francine, is my schoolmate way back then in the Philippines. So thank you so much, guys, for tuning in, and we're so happy to have you, Francine, for having this first. This is actually the first time that Francine is joining us live We are always doing a recording, pre-recorded premiere on YouTube, but now this is special because she performed live, and look at her. She's very good in playing piano, and she will be challenged with the next level of piano adventures. So thank you so much, guys, for tuning in, and I hope that you enjoyed our show, and we will be looking forward for the next performances of Francine. Okay? So Mami Tina and Daddy Fred, I hope that you're also watching here. God bless you, and I hope to see you soon, and your live performances will be really God's blessing. And keep it up, Francine. And Mami, thank you for the support. God bless everyone, and thank you for joining us in this wonderful live stream. God bless. And that ends our show. Bye-bye.